Go fish. Fishing. Okay, where's the bait?
Tara, nakuha ko na.
Oh, the big fish is already eating the bait.
Dito, try natin. Baka meron dito. Tingnan natin yung mga isda
Okay. No bait. Okay. Come on.
Katamad ng mga isda ngayon
Go. Yeah. Oh no. The laziness starts again.